Welcome to my channel. This is lecture number 2. FSC Computer Science, Part 1. Board of Intermediate and Secondary Education. KPK Textbook Board. Chapter 1. Overview of Computer System. Question number 2. What is hardware and software? Every computer is composed of two basic components: hardware and software. Hardware is the physical component of the computer system, which can be seen and touched directly. Hardware is the collection of all those parts of the computer system which are working during the processing of data to get information. For example, keyboard, mouse, printer, scanner, joystick, etc. Software is the non-physical component of the computer system which cannot be seen and touched directly. Software is a set of instructions or programs which is responsible for monitoring the different tasks of the computer hardware during the processing of data into information. That tells the computer what to do and how to perform a job, for examples DOS, Windows, Linux, MS Office, etc. For more educational videos, please subscribe my channel.